How long does it take for my single to be released by DistroKid to streaming platforms? I'm sure that question has occurred to you because it has occurred to me as well as an artist. And DistroKid has an article released on its website that is titled, "How long does it take for my album to be available in streaming services?" Now, this video is going to be focused on singles, but I feel like they do apply across the board. And if not, at least it gives you an idea how long this could take. So this article starts out by saying it can take several days for albums to be reviewed, approved, and sent to streaming services. However, what follows is how long it takes these major platforms to put out your music on their platforms. For iTunes/Apple Music, it takes 1 to 7 days. It says a very small percentage of albums go through manual review at Apple, and this can take 1 to 2 weeks or so. The next platform it talks about is Spotify, which it says takes 2 to 5 days. Amazon, which takes 1 to 2 days. YouTube Music, 1 to 2 days. And there are a couple of others that are listed here, including Facebook/Instagram, which takes 1 to 2 weeks for your music to show up on the platform. Another piece of information included here is if you upload a cover track, then it will take up to 14 business days for your cover song license to be secured. Once it has been secured, then your cover song will be released to these platforms. The last thing that has been highlighted here is if you are interested in releasing your music to Pandora, it has its own in-house review process. So DistroKid cannot speak to how long this process takes for them. However, if you reach out to DistroKid at this contact on the screen, they should be able to give you more information about that. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one.